Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys two ways you can pretty much create this flash animation. So add in a white stock video on top of your video. Then you are going to, this is the first version, go to animation, go to out and select fade out for the whole clip. And then you're also going to want to go to video, go to basic blend mode and choose overlay for it as well. But I like to actually just do myself by pressing the keyframe on blend mode, put it to 0 at the beginning, and then put it at 100 and then put it at 0 again. But you want to also make sure it's in overlay mode. And those are two ways you can create a white flash on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!